What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. My name is Ivan and I'm a digital content producer here at Beacons. And if you're a creator trying to grow your audience and actually make money from your content, this video is for you. But first, what even is Beacons? Beacons is an all-in-one platform built specifically for creators. Instead of juggling 5 different tools for your links, your brand deals, your store, and your emails, Beacons pulls all of it into one place. It's designed to help you look professional, land brand deals, and monetize your content. Whether you're just starting out or you're already building a real business around what you create. Today we're walking through the 4 core features you need to get set up: your link in bio, your media kit, your digital products, and your email list. Each one builds on the last, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of how it all works together. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're setting up is your link in bio. Every platform you post on, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, it all gives you one link to put in your bio. One. So instead of sending people to 5 different places, your Beacons page becomes the one link that has everything. Your content, your products, your email sign up, your affiliate links, all in one place. And it's not just a landing page. You can see exactly where people are clicking, where they're coming from, and how that traffic is converting. Beam, your AI teammate on Beacons, can even design the whole page from a single text prompt. It takes less than 5 minutes to go live. On the left-hand navigation, click link in bio and website. This is where you'll build everything out. Add blocks for links, content, products, signups, whatever you need. Up top, you can manage pages, which is great for keeping things organized. You can have a page for digital products, one for affiliate links, and add as many as you want. For the design, add a high quality photo, write a quick bio, and drop in your social icons. Pick a theme if you want. Choose a header style or let AI design one for you. The same goes for backgrounds. You can upload a photo, a video, or have AI generate something custom. Adjust your colors, fonts, and block styles to match your vibe, and you're ready to go. If you want a full deep dive into everything your link in bio can do, check out this video linked above. Next up is the media kit. Think of it as your creator resume, the thing you send to a brand when they ask, what are your numbers? Most creators either don't have one or they're getting some outdated PDF sitting in their Google Drive that hasn't been touched in a year. That's a problem because when a brand reaches out, the first thing they want to see is your stats, your follower count, engagement rate, audience demographics. If that info is wrong or stale, it undercuts you before the conversation even starts. On Beacons, your media kit auto updates. You connect your social accounts and your stats sync in real time. You also get a clean design page to show your rates, past partnerships, and a contact form for brands to reach you directly. No PDF, no scrambling, you just send the link. On the left-hand navigation, click Media Kit. First thing you want to do is to connect your social accounts. Pick a platform, log in, allow permissions, and you're done. One thing to know, Instagram has a slightly different setup. You'll see 2 options: Full Connect and Quick Connect. For a breakdown of what each one does, check out this video linked above. Update your display name, your pronouns, location, and content categories in the header. Then write your About Me section. I'd spend the most time here. This is your first impression with a brand that may have never heard of you, so be specific of what you do and who your audience is. For the rate cards, you can set a minimum and maximum per platform and deliverable. If you're not sure what to charge, use our pricing calculator, and if you'd rather not show rates at all, just leave it blank. It'll display Ask Me so you can negotiate on your own terms. Below that, add any brands you've worked with. Even a few logos help with credibility. And if you're just starting out, past partnerships aren't required for the kit to work. You can also toggle individual stats on or off per platform. Hide what's not relevant, but keep what tells your story best. On the design side, you can adjust your layout, the cover image, and the colors and fonts to match your brand. And under permissions, control who can see your stats and rates. Once your kit is done, head back to your link in bio and add your media kit as a block. That way, any brand that lands on your page can pull up your stats right there. For a full walkthrough, check out the video linked above. Now let's talk about making money directly from your audience. Have you ever thought about selling something? A guide, a template, an ebook, a course, presets? Beacons has a built-in store, no third-party tools, no separate checkout page, no sending your audience somewhere else. The store lives right inside your link in bio. Someone discovers you, lands on your page, and can buy from you without ever leaving. Beacons handles the checkout, the file delivery, and the payment. Connect Stripe or PayPal, and you can cash out in as little as a day. On the left-hand navigation, click Digital Products and hit New Product. You can choose between a digital product, appointment, course, or membership. For a full tutorial on each of those, check out this playlist linked above. For now, let's add a digital product. So here is where you can edit your product page. Add a title. Set your price. A description that tells people exactly what they're getting. And upload any media that shows it off. Photos, videos, whatever makes sense. Then upload your product file. That can be a file from your computer or even a link. Scroll down and you'll see some optional sections. For a full breakdown of those, check out the video linked above. Skip ahead to checkout, where you can add extra fields if you want more info from your buyers beyond name and email. The data comes in handy when you're emailing your list later. We'll get to that in a second. After that, there's a success screen where you can add a personal thank you message and a preview of the receipt email your buyer gets. Hit next in the top right and click Add to Link in Bio. And it'll drop your product block right onto your page. Move it wherever you want and you can adjust how it looks. From there, it's all about getting eyes on it. One tool worth knowing about is Smart Reply. It auto DMs your followers, product, or affiliate links when they comment or engage. Full walkthrough is linked above. And the last section, and honestly the one I see creators sleep on the most, is email marketing. Here's the thing about social media. You don't own your followers. If the algorithm shifts, if a platform goes down, if your account gets flagged, that audience is gone. Your email list isn't going anywhere. Those are people who gave you their contact info and said, yes, I want to hear from you. That's a different level of buy-in than a follow. Beacons is a full email tool built right into the platform. You can collect subscribers straight from your link in bio. You can send broadcasts, set up automated sequences. No separate email platform needed. Head into your link in bio and add an email sign-up block. Write a title and description that tells people what they're actually signing up for. Don't just say subscribe. First name and email is enough for fields, but add more if you want to personalize it down the line. At the top of the block, there's an email automation button. This lets you set up an email that fires the moment someone subscribes. Hit Setup Automation, then Set up New Automation, and choose the welcome funnel template. You'll see a start condition, a time delay, and an optional end condition. For a welcome email, leave the end condition blank, click into the email block to edit the design, and copy to match your tone. Then hit next and fill in your subject line and preview text. Don't skip this part. Seriously, the subject line is the only thing that determines whether someone opens your email or ignores it. Spend real time on it. Once you're done, hit activate automation and that's it. Every new subscriber gets a welcome email automatically. For a full breakdown of broadcasts, funnels, and advanced automations, check out the video linked above. And that is how you get started on Beacons. To recap, your link in bio is the foundation that everything lives on. Your media kit keeps your brand stays current, so you're always ready to pitch. Digital products turn your knowledge into income, and your email list is the audience you actually own, no matter what happens on socials. All of this is free to start. Head to beacons.ai and Beam will walk you through the whole setup in under 5 minutes. The link is in the description to get started. And if this video helped out, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other videos for more creator tips and tutorials. All right, y'all. See you next time.